Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but you know me as the van guy. Today I've got some great news. We got a new Coachmen Galleria lithium package. Front lounge floor plan. Come on inside. Got a nice grab hold here, nice big running board. So this is their front lounge. As you can see, both seats turn around. Got plenty of room. This tabletop comes up, sits on a post, and then the leaves fold out, and you've got places to put cups. One nice thing that they have that a lot of other manufacturers don't have is, come on baby, here, freezer, separate freezer control from the refrigerator. Easy to get to, up high enough when you dig something out frozen. Yeah, going down there is not that often. You got your control panels here, battery disconnect switch, solar panel, Truma heating, which is very important. Very propane and electricity. It's very efficient. You have a little area here for storage that you can reach from the outside. Monitor panels here for all your controls. Master light on. Let's swing back here. You got a nice couch that folds down flat. I currently have the headrests off because you have to have those off to fold it all the way down, but it's a flat bed. It's got a privacy curtain from the rear to pull down. It goes all the way down, nice and easy to operate. And storage galore up on top, DVD player, TV, 12 volts, USB ports, 110 outlet. Of course the TV swings out into the aisle and faces to the rear. These all have self-closing, which is a very nice feature. And if you take a peek at all the storage, that's a lot of storage up on top. And again, they're all self-closing. We're going to take just a minute because this is something that I want you to see. This one's a little tight to get out. Yeah. This is what I want to point out to you. This is through the entire bottom of the coach, all the wheel wells. It's a material, a mat that deadens sound. So you get a very nice ride like you were in a car. It's very sound deadening. They've got 2 layers on the floor, plus of course your linoleum. So it makes the coach really quiet. Double insulation in the roof. Very nice featured. Oops. Yep, this is the right one. Table legs stored down here. 12 volt USB ports, electrical outlet. Notice that all the trim, it's very nice material, all wrapped windows, privacy curtains all the way around. Storage. A lot of people, where's the storage? Right in here you've got a couple shelves, or you can take the shelves out and you've got hanger space on both sides. And if I swing around the door, you've got a nice storage unit down here. Convection microwave. Always a bonus to be able to cook your food as well as bake your food, as well as microwave it. Nice deep drawers, all dovetail construction. Got a nice light underneath here. They're all self-closing. Now I'm going to ask you to bend down here and see if you can get a picture of this for me. There's insulation right back in here. That's insulation in every compartment on the unit, which again makes it very quiet and of course helps with heat and cold. A little fold down here for your scrubs. Lots of drawers. Countertop Corian. This one has induction cooking. A magnetic pot. Heats up really quick and cools down really fast as well. Recessed sink. Nice deep sink. Some of the features in here with all the different floor plans, and there's 3 floor plans for the Galleria, and we've got them all in stock. Nice bathroom area. Of course, I'm going to be sitting down if I'm going to be taking a shower like this, but stop wasting your water. Extend gray water tank use. With you turn this valve, have your pump going on, the water is circulating. It's not going into your holding tank, which saves you water. Of course, you got your RV toilet paper goes in there with a little cover. You have your soap dispensers, etc., shampoo and body soap. Got a mirror that swings out, and this goes all the way up there for your shower. Got a nice little sink. I've started the engine up. I wanted you to see the screen. It's nice, big. You can go into backup camera. You can turn the camera on all the time. It's got your nav system. It's all touch controls. Like anything else, it takes a little while to get used to how everything works. But I figured it out enough myself
right now, more continuous temperature,
so we can make it work. Right here on the dash, whoops, right here on the dash, this is your power rear lock. These are your side doors. So if somebody's trying to get in, you can reach down here and lock or unlock your sliding door and your 2 cab doors. This switch right here, heated seats on both sides. This also has a washer for your headlights. You have to have it in gear to make that operate. It won't work in park, but you can squirt up to rinse them off. A couple nice features the unit has. Let's go outside and I'll take you around and show you. We have a nice electric awning. I pointed out earlier, the nice running boards all the way around, plenty of room to get in and out. Got your wheel liners, Truma exhaust. Now, unlike the other heaters, this doesn't have a lot of heat to it. It's very low, so you don't have to worry about getting close to this and getting burned. Electrical outlets on this side. I even moved this van out of the way. I wanted to show you this rear area here. This just came off the truck. I've had a lot of people interested in this front lounge and the lithium package, so I wanted to get it on the internet so you'll know that we have it. So as you can see here, I lifted this up to show you. When you go to this lithium battery, this big monster lithium battery, which is kept inside, some manufacturers put them outside, and lithium hates cold. When it gets down close to freezing, it could just shut off and you have no power. When you get the lithium package, you also get a 3,000 watt inverter. That way you can run the entire system. This is your privacy curtain. That's a mat. Now if you look down here, you see how much room you've got for storage? If that mat was in place, privacy curtain I just threw back here so I can shoot the interior. So this is your screen that comes down. It locks behind these pins here. And then as I showed you inside, the night curtain. So you got a screen for bugs. If you don't leave your doors open up, you don't have to worry about those. Hitch and wiring, tows 5,000 pounds. And there is a spare tire underneath this, which is a bonus, as most of the vans aren't coming with spare tires. Look right up there, there's your backup camera. You have your electrical cord plugged in here. Outdoor shower. And then behind this door is your dump handles and your macerator. They're easy to operate, easy to access. And behind this door is door number 2, which is, of course, your diesel fill. That way nobody can access it without getting into your coach. There's a lot of features on the Galleria that are much different. I know you have some questions, and I'd be the guy to answer them. Give me a call direct at 541-554-9581, or look down below on the screen. My email address is there, and you can talk to the van guy direct. I appreciate your interest.